The 20 euro cent 2020 coin is a standard circulation coin used across countries that are members of the European Union and part of the Eurozone monetary system. Introduced as part of the Euro currency series that began circulating physically in 2002, the 20 euro cent coin continues to be one of the most commonly used denominations in everyday transactions, such as grocery shopping, vending machines, transportation tickets, and small retail purchases. The 2020 issue follows the same technical specifications as other 20-cent coins. It is made from an alloy known as Nordic gold, which consists mainly of copper combined with aluminum, zinc, and tin. Despite its golden appearance, it contains no actual gold. The coin weighs approximately 5.74 grams, measures about 22.25 millimeters in diameter, and has a thickness of around 2.14 millimeters. One of its most distinctive physical characteristics is its unique Spanish flower shape, meaning it has 7 smooth indentations along the edge, instead of being perfectly round. This design helps users, especially visually impaired individuals, to identify the denomination by touch. The reverse side of the 20 euro cent coin features a common European design created by Luc Louix, showing a map of Europe with 12 stars symbolizing unity and cooperation among member states. The obverse side, however, differs depending on the issuing country. For example, Germany's version displays the famous Brandenburg Gate, representing unity and peace. Spain's design traditionally features the portrait of Miguel de Cervantes, honoring the legendary author of Don Quixote. France uses Marianne, the national symbol of liberty and republican values. Other Eurozone countries such as Italy, Belgium, Austria, Portugal, and smaller nations like Malta or Cyprus have their own unique national designs. Therefore, a 2020 20 euro cent coin can vary visually depending on the country of origin, mint mark, and engraving details. When discussing a 20 euro cent 2020 coin in bad condition, it is important to understand how circulation affects modern coins. A coin in bad condition typically shows heavy wear from daily handling. Because 20-cent coins are frequently exchanged, dropped, stored loosely in pockets or jars, and exposed to environmental elements, they can quickly lose their original mint luster. In bad condition, the surface may appear dull, scratched, stained, or discolored. The raised details, such as architectural features on the Brandenburg Gate or the facial features of Miguel de Cervantes, may become flattened or less sharp. The stars on the reverse side and the lines of the European map may lose their clarity. Coins exposed to moisture can develop corrosion spots, dark toning, or uneven color patches. Improper cleaning with chemicals or abrasive materials may cause unnatural shine and hairline scratches, which significantly reduce numismatic appeal. From a grading standpoint, coin collectors evaluate condition using a scale ranging from poor, P1, to mint state, MS70. A heavily circulated 2020 20 euro cent coin may fall into grades such as good, G4, very good, VG8, or fine, F12, depending on how much detail remains visible. In extremely worn examples, parts of the design may be barely recognizable. Since the 2020 coin is a recent issue and was minted in large quantities across Eurozone countries, a piece in bad condition typically retains only its face value of 20 euros. Modern circulation coins rarely gain additional value unless they are preserved in uncirculated condition or have unique characteristics. However, there are exceptions. A 2020 20 euro cent coin may become more valuable if it contains a genuine minting error. Examples of mint errors include off-center strikes, double strikes, die cracks, clipped planchets, or striking on the wrong metal. These errors occur during the minting process and are different from post-mint damage like scratches or bending. Even if slightly circulated, a coin with a confirmed mint error can attract interest from collectors and may sell for several euros or more, depending on the rarity and visibility of the mistake. On the other hand, damage caused after leaving the mint, such as graffiti, corrosion, or bending, does not increase value and usually decreases it. The year 2020 is also historically notable because it coincided with the global COVID-19 pandemic, which affected mint operations and coin circulation patterns in some countries. While this historical context adds background interest, it does not automatically make 2020 20-euro-cent coins rare or highly valuable. Most were produced in significant numbers, especially in larger economies such as Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. Smaller countries may have lower mintages, but even then, coins found in poor condition generally do not command high prices in the collector market. Proper storage plays a crucial role in maintaining coin condition. Collectors store coins in protective holders, albums, or capsules to prevent exposure to air, humidity, and physical damage. Cleaning coins is strongly discouraged because it permanently alters the original surface and can remove natural patina. A 2020 20-euro-cent coin found in bad condition is best kept as normal currency unless it shows clear signs of a rare minting error. In conclusion, the 20-euro-cent 2020 coin in bad condition typically holds only its face value, and its collectability depends primarily on preservation quality and the presence of genuine mint errors rather than simple wear from circulation.